PythonLinks.info is a discovery engine for the Python web. The problem is that when you do a search on Python, you get 203 million results, and that includes a lot of noise. What you really want to do is search the curated web, where every single approved website has been curated by a senior, trusted, and respected Python developer. The problem is there are just too many websites out there, so you really need a trusted network of curators. And ideally, you'd like to organize the results not as a single flat list, but as a taxonomy, a tree of categories, so that in each category you have all the related content. So I built such a website. Here's the page on Markdown. On the right-hand side is a brief description of what Markdown is. The indentation on the left tells you where you are in the taxonomy. There's an article reviewing the 6 different Python libraries, and there are categories for each of those libraries. Some of those categories may contain additional information. I'm starting to add a directory of Python developers by city. The other companies don't track where you're willing to work, only where you live. But the part that everyone really loves are my taxonomy of Python companies. Here in the world, you have a region called Europe, a country called Poland, a city called Katowice, a company called PythonLinks.info, and various additional links about that company. And of course, people don't want to see the data structures. They want to see the maps. Here's the map of Python companies in Wrocław. If you're kind enough to be a sponsor of the Python Software Foundation, then you get the Python logo. Very good advertising for Tivix. You can scroll down. You can see the table of Python companies in Wrocław. Here's the map of Python companies in Warsaw. You can scroll down. You can see the table of Python companies in Warsaw. The biggest, of course, is NVIDIA, the heavyweights in deep learning. There's a column for their jobs. There's a column for their products. There's a column for other links. Somebody added a job to this record for NVIDIA, and so their entire row goes green. So the user groups have the option of highlighting companies that support them. Here's a map of Python companies in Poland, going up a level. Just click into the city you're interested in. This is starting to spread to the rest of Europe. Here's the table of Python companies in Poland. About 82 companies currently. If you are interested in outsourcing to Poland, it's very easy to scroll down the right-hand column and see who specializes in the area closest to what you need. I invite you to add your company. Just go to the upper left-hand corner, add a link, click into it, add your company. Title is the company name, add some additional information about your company. I invite you to make your company look really good. Add a bunch of different links. All the HR and recruiter people want to add careers and jobs, but go ahead and add your products. Add the links to company reviews, your blog, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Crunchbase, GitHub page. This is what developers want to see when they're considering your company. It's all about your company. I invite you to take it for a test drive. It's very fast. It's all done in Python and ZODB on the server, JavaScript on the client. I download the JSON data to the client, so the speed of response is really fast. It's all on scalable Nginx caching servers, and it's sitting on top of scalable Linode servers, Linux servers. Everybody loves it. The Python Software Foundation likes it because it encourages people to sponsor them. The PyCons and meetups like it because they can see who the potential sponsors might be. The local user groups love it because they can highlight in green those companies that sponsor them. Developers love it because they can see which companies they might work for. Recruiters love it because they can see which companies to target for Python developers. And maybe HR departments aren't so fond of what I'm doing. But if they want to talk to me, and I can potentially hide your company from the recruiters. I invite you to contact me. Just go to PythonLinks.info and click on Contact, or better yet, just follow me on Twitter @PythonLinks. Thank you very much for your time.